Want to edit a video, but your shake effect doesn't look quite right? Well, you clicked the right video. Here are 5 of the best shake combos to level up your edits. Before that, thank you for 10K subscriber. Here's the tutorial for all the shake. First, add your edit clip. Delete the CapCut ending. Now go to Effect and search Dolly Back Effect. Put it on the first clip. Now you need to adjust the speed until it's fit. On my clips, it's 1.1 second, so the speed is 50. Now go to Adjust and make Size, Intensity, Glow, Atmosphere to 100 and Blur to 25. Now crop the effect and make it length only for 2 clip. Copy it and put it on the 3rd and 4th clip. Now go to Transition and search Shake, then add it. Add it too on the 3rd transition. Now it's done, and export it. Now go to Animation and choose Oblique Lines. Make it to 0.8 second. Then add it to all clips like before. Now add keyframe on the start and end of each clip. Now zoom the first keyframe until hit the blue lines. Do it to all clips. Now go to Transition and add Pullout. Add it to all clips. it's finished, then export it. Now go to Animation and add Turbulence 3. Add it to all clips. Now add keyframe at the start and end of each clip. Rotate the first keyframe to 10 degrees. For the second clip keyframe, rotate it to -10 degrees. On the third clip, do it same as the first clip keyframe. And the fourth clip, do it same as the second keyframe clip. Now go to Transition, then add camera shaking to all clips. Add it to all clip. Now it's finished, you can export it. Go to Combo Animation and add Poppin' Candy. Add it to all clips. Add keyframe on the start and end of each clip. Zoom the first keyframe until hit the blue lines. Now go to Transition and search Pull-in 2. Add it to all clips. After done, export it. Go to Combo Animation and add Zoom 1. Add it to all clips. Now go to Video Effects and add Rebound Swing. Adjust the size to 10 and intensity to 10. Add the effect to all clips. Now it's finished, you can export it. Thanks for watching. Hope you can do it.